everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases, and let me tell you, we have 3 new exclusive arts for this week, and I am so excited. You may think, oh, there's only 2 kits here. It's a long story. Well, long story short is I didn't feel like driving all the way back down to work to get a sample of it. So I have it on my phone, but it was a kit that I was like, I was just going to release 2 this week, and I was like, oh wait, this movie is coming out very soon. So we need to release this art so that y'all can get it in your hands. So let's go ahead and start from the top like always and start with the new Scribblers for the week. This is number 32, which is a Happy Meal, and it comes in the normal 6 color options, and they are all so equally adorable and cute. So those are the new Scribblers for this week. Then we have some new characters for this week, which are Barbie characters. So you have like the classic Barbie and then the new Barbie, kind of to mark the new Barbie movie. But I thought these would be so cute for that. Then there is a new color of the week. This is color number 65, and it is a gorgeous mint green. And like I mentioned last week, the color of the week now has Scribbler options. So if you could buy the a la carte sheets, of course, there will be a buy all doodle option. And then after, there is some Scribbler options as well. So this is the normal 12 sheets of doodles. And then let me show you these Scribblers. They did debut this past week in real time, and y'all loved them. I love them. I bring home 4 for myself, especially just because I did a spread with one already, and I used over half of the, actually these are the ones I brought home for myself. I used over half of the sheet in one spread, so I was just like, need them all. So that is the color of the week. The color of the week is only available Wednesday through Sunday. Then let's go into the a la carte foil for this week. I was going to spread out the a la carte foil. Last week was a like Lucky Charm type situation, and then this one is Floral. I wanted to spread them out, but I just got them the other week, and I was like, well, Floral, spring, summer is coming up, so we need to release this. So it's the same format as Lucky Charm, but just a different like style, colorway type situation. So let me go ahead and show you all of the different sheets. So this is the 15 millimeter strip. So you have the larger icon and then the confetti, and then you also have some mini deco bits on the side. And this a la carte collection comes in silver, gold, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, and lavender hollow. So that's the 15 millimeter strip. Then I also do have the headers. So the headers comes with the 21 pattern headers as well as the 7 fancy headers. There is also the full box page, which has the 4 full boxes on it. So you have them like this. Tried to keep them kind of minimal so they weren't too intrusive. I feel like you could also mix this with stars, hearts, confetti. It would all look really cute. You can even mix it with the stuff from last week. I think that'd be adorable. And then also the tall box page. Let me show you in the silver so you could see it the best. So you have the tall box, the extra stroke box, and then the whole reinforcers on there, all in those same foil colors. Then we do have a foil bundle this week, which is a gorgeous icy blue color. I love this color. We had a color like this a long time ago. I don't remember what. I think it might have been in Twinkle, or it might have been Confetti. It was one of those 2, I believe. And I just knew I needed to bring it back in the confetti format because this is perfect for spring, summer, and I am obsessed with it. It's going to go with so much. I think I used the color like this in like the Bridgerton spread, and there's another one I did that used the blue. I'm trying to rack my brain, but this will be available, and it's on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. Then let me show you the kit that I don't have with me. I will put up a digital picture, but this is the D&D kit. The D&D movie, Dungeons and Dragons movie, is coming out in about a month, I believe. So I knew I wanted to do a collection for it. We are actually starting our D&D campaign next week, so we are very excited that the movie is also coming out this month, and I just knew I wanted to do a kit on it. Fantasy is so fun. The colors are so fun, and I cannot wait to see what foils you pair with it. I personally don't even know. Let me look at it again. I'm thinking gold hollow. Are you thinking gold hollow? Gold hollow or navy or burgundy or matte bronze, matte silver, regular silver, gold. I feel like there's really no wrong option with that one. Then let's move into the other pop culture kit for this week, which is Who You Gonna Call. And my kids are obsessed with Ghostbusters, and I just been wanting to do so many different pop culture kits. And as y'all have seen, and you will be seeing, there's a lot that has come, and there is a lot more that is coming. So this is a Ghostbusters themed kit, so you could use it like Halloween time, Ghostbusters. Personally, for me, I think Ghostbusters is anytime, but that's probably because I've watched it at all times of the year, and I just think it's so, so cute, and it reminds me of my kiddos. So I'm probably going to use this for pop culture summer. Oh, this is in the wrong order. Pop culture summer. Love that box. So stinking cute. And then here is the tall freebie. What is he? Is he just like a marshmallow man? I don't remember what his name is, but so cute. So excited to see what y'all think. And then we also have the mini kit if you want to pick that up. Mini and ultimate. All the kits this week do come in mini and ultimate. There is the ombre if you want to add it on functional. The label, label 2. I'm going to bring in that blue color. And then there's the doodles, and then there are other fashion boxes. So cute. So excited to use this. I think this would be really fun to use with red sparkly foil, but also be fun to if you had like a really bright green, a navy, silver, matte bronze, matte silver, like a taupey color would be really pretty with it. If you wanted to use black foil, if you wanted to do a no foil look with black bougie, I think that'd be really fun as well. So lots and lots and lots of options for this one as well when it comes to foil options. Then last but not least, we do have barbecue. And I don't think I did a 4th of July custom last year. I don't think I did. But I wanted to do something this year that is kind of like whenever I did like brunch, or I did this year the breakfast in bed, where it could be used for the 4th of July, but doesn't have necessarily a 4th of July theme. So like I said, all these kits this week are exclusive art, and this is barbecue. So I wanted to do a barbecue kit that was fun, perfect for summer, any cookouts that you may have or parties, etc. And you have like the pool, the little backyard setup, you have a barbecue, a cookout kind of food. Do you call it cookout or barbecue? Let me know in the comments down below. I call it a barbecue. Even though I live in Texas where barbecue means barbecue, we call it a barbecue. So love the little pasta salad container. Ugh, it's just all so good. I love these colors. They are so pretty. I personally probably would use silver or gold with this. I think like the twinkle would be a really pretty pattern for it. You have an extra double box here. I just love these colors. It just reminds me of like classic, 8-year ago planner girl colors. It's just so pretty, so cute, so everything. And then you have the box here with more food, watermelon, burger, cookies. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is like 4th of July. So you can put those boxes in or leave them out, and you still have plenty of boxes. So it's happy 4th of July. And then you have like a little fruit platter that is kind of like an American flag of sorts with some corn and some flowers. So it's kind of more of a minimalistic 4th of July look if you need a 4th of July kit and you don't want to do the red and blue. This is a more toned down version of the theme for sure, but also for me, I probably just use it for a cookout barbecue. So then there is the mini kit if you want to, I'm gonna say you want to add that on. I don't know why I'm on that today, but there's a mini kit also. There is the doodle, the label 2 has the green, and then there is the functional, the ombre, and then there's also 2 different fashion options. This is fashion 1 and fashion 2, which I've been loving doing because usually I have like the fam 6, and then I could do all of the different fams in here. So that is everything for this week. I'm sorry I don't have the actual physical copy of the D&D kit to show y'all, but it is just fantastic. Let me know if you plan also to go see it. I am very, very excited to do so. And yeah, I'm just super excited for all of the kits coming. Next week, I have another one that I'm like, I need to release now because it's very time sensitive. So get excited for that because I think y'all are going to go nuts for it. But that is everything for this week. Also, don't forget mystery spots are open for the mystery that'll ship at the end of this month. And I think that is everything for this video, and I will talk to you in my next one.